Demystifying the phrase stonks. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of internet slang to uncover the meaning behind a popular phrase, stonks. This word might seem odd, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its quirky origins and how it's used in everyday conversation. Stonks is a humorous intentional misspelling of the word stocks. It's often associated with discussions about stock trading, especially when referencing sudden and unexpected market gains or meme stocks. The term has gained popularity on the internet, primarily through memes and online communities. The term stonks originated from internet memes. Specifically, it's often linked to an image of a businessman with a chart showing stocks going up, and the word stonks beside him. This meme is typically used to humorously express a naive or unsophisticated approach to the stock market. 1. Celebratory context. My meme stock just went up 100% stonks. 2. Sarcastic or humorous context. I invested in a company that makes left-handed screwdrivers. Stonks. 3. Referring to the meme culture. Did you see that new stonks meme on Reddit? Hilarious. And there you have it. The next time you come across the word stonks online, you'll be in the know. Remember, language is always evolving, especially in the age of the internet. Stay curious and keep exploring. Hope you found this video insightful.